For those who are just starting to invest, choosing the right investment app is almost as important as selecting investments for your portfolio. However, in a time when Robinhood investment app is frequently making headlines, is it always the best choice? Just because it's popular? After carefully examining numerous data points and conducting thorough trials of various apps, business consultancy firm Advisor has identified the best investment apps for a wide range of investors. Here are best investment apps of this month. 1. Fidelity Spire. Out of all the apps we checked, none did as well overall as Fidelity's new one called Spire. It's made for people who are new to trading and combines easy-to-understand features like savings graphics with the ability to buy and sell stocks. Spire doesn't ask for a minimum amount to start an account or invest, and it lets you invest in partial shares, meaning you can buy less than a whole share of a stock. There are no fees for having an account, and the orders you make aren't sold to high-frequency trading firms. This is good because some people think that when orders get sold like that, customers end up getting worse prices for their investments. Also, Spire gives you the flexibility to not focus on short-term buying and selling. It offers different types of accounts beyond the usual taxable investment accounts, similar to what you find on Robinhood. This includes retirement and 529 accounts, which let you invest for your future and your children's future. When it comes to using it, Spire is user-friendly. It's easy to navigate, and it's packed with helpful investing explanations and learning materials, making it great for beginners. If you're looking for more unique options like commodities or cryptocurrency, Spire might not have what you need. Here are the pros and cons. 2. Betterment. Many top online brokerages now provide robo-advisor services. These automated platforms for managing investment portfolios have undergone significant changes over the past decade. If you're specifically looking for a robo-advisor investment app that efficiently handles a low-cost diversified portfolio of ETFs, Betterment might be your best choice. It's one of the original robo-advisors and holds the top spot in Forbes Advisor's ranking of the best robo-advisors available. Betterment doesn't have an account minimum, though there's a $10 minimum to start investing, making it easy to begin your investment journey. It offers a robust platform designed to help you automate your investments according to your long-term goals and risk tolerance. However, the pricing structure may be unfamiliar to those new to investing. For its basic service, Betterment charges 0.25% of the total amount you invest each year. To put it in perspective, this translates to $25 per $10,000 you invest. This pricing approach is noteworthy because other leading robo-advisors, such as Acorns and Ellevest, charge subscription fees, usually starting at least at $1 per month or $12 per year. These fixed rates can be a disadvantage for those with smaller balances. With Betterment, you would need to invest nearly $5,000 before its fees exceed those of the most basic plans from these other services. This minimum threshold increases significantly when factoring in retirement accounts. Rather than opting for a platform solely based on its apparent ease or lower costs, it's likely more advantageous to start with Betterment's app. This way, you can benefit from its top-notch platform and low-fee structure, covering a wide range of investment accounts and goals. Here are the pros and cons. 3. Binance US. For those passionate about cryptocurrencies, it's evident that our previous recommendations don't cater to digital currency trading. If you're seeking exposure to what some refer to as digital gold, then considering the app from Forbes Advisor's top pick for the best cryptocurrency exchange. While certain user-friendly investment apps like Robinhood or Webull app enable easy purchase of crypto alongside more conventional investments like stocks and ETFs, it's essential to recognize that just because you can, doesn't necessarily mean you should. Platforms such as Robinhood and Webull provide a somewhat limited selection of cryptocurrencies and notably don't permit the transfer of your cryptocurrencies off their apps. Some crypto investors prefer moving their coins to cold crypto wallets, which are offline and thus safeguarded from online threats, as a way to protect their investments. Moreover, the seemingly free trades on these platforms come with hidden fees embedded in the prices when buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This is why we advocate for a dedicated crypto app, even for those new to the crypto space. Binance offers access to a wide array of cryptocurrencies, ranging from well-known ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, to numerous lesser-known altcoins. Both beginners and experienced traders can benefit from Binance industry-leading low fees and the availability of both instant buying and more advanced trading platforms. Here are the pros and cons. 4. ETrade. Beginners who want to focus on trading might prefer ETrade. ETrade is the original online brokerage with an impressive App Store rating of 4.6 from 139,000 reviews. It ranked highest in usability for beginners in our assessment of best online brokerages. ETrade has no minimum requirements or fees for trading. It offers a lot of investing information, from basic terms like diversification. You can also open various account types, including IRAs and custodial accounts for children, in addition to standard taxable accounts. Unlike Fidelity Spire, ETrade doesn't allow you to open a 529 account for saving for children's college. Also, the absence of fractional trading may make it challenging for those with less money, especially when dealing with individual stocks like Tesla or Apple that have shares priced at least $100. ETrade provides access to a robo-advisor-like service with its pre-built portfolios, but you'll need $500 to start with mutual funds and $2,500 for an ETF account. Similar to Fidelity Spire, ETrade doesn't allow trading in commodities or cryptocurrency. However, this restriction could be beneficial for beginners due to the high volatility of these assets. Here are the pros and cons. 5. TD Ameritrade's thinkorswim. If you're more experienced in trading, you might like TD Ameritrade's app. With the regular TD Ameritrade app, you can do the basics like trading stocks, options, and futures. It also has advanced features such as detailed charts, margin trading, and buying and selling on the over-the-counter market. The app makes it easy to keep up with market news, and there are lots of educational resources. As a TD Ameritrade client, you can use thinkorswim, our top choice for the best online broker mobile app. With the thinkorswim mobile app, you get almost all the trading features of the regular TD Ameritrade app and can explore more advanced investments like Forex. The settings you set on thinkorswim's desktop platform also work in the app. This means your chart drawings and market scans are always available. thinkorswim even has chat rooms and paper trading, so you can discuss and try out your trading ideas. But if you're looking for cryptocurrency options, TD Ameritrade won't have what you need. Also, you can't buy a fraction of a share. This might not be a big deal for experienced traders with more money to invest. Here are the pros and cons. I hope you like our video. If you enjoyed today's content, hit the link in the description to support the channel directly. Until next time, stay financially savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video.